Hi guys, I'm back to Admin SK. In this video, we are going to see how you can create clone and how you can create template. In clone and template, also how you can create template from clone, how you can create clone from template, you can create clone template of the template. So all those things we are going to see in this video. So first we have taken power of machine, so it would be faster because after this you can boot up, your machine will get come up. So there is no need of creating number of same things. So I have taken the power of machine. So what I will do is just right click and see if you want to create a template. So for the template, we'll just go right click and convert, and it would be yes. Now after a moment of time, you will be seeing that you have the template with you. Okay, so it would be here, I think. So we'll go just here. Yes, you can see in a folder option you have gotten a template of the machine. So you have the template. So creating template is very simple. Right click and click on template. So if you want to create a new virtual machine from this template, you can just new VM from this template. Give the name as ERA1. Do the next. Compute resource will be from this. Select storage. Storage will be the same this. Then if you want to configure these things newer, if you want the same as it is, no need to do anything, just click on next and do the finish. So after a moment of time, you will be getting the machine which is powered off. Okay, so what we did is creating is not yet created. Check a new notification is about 15%. So we'll wait till it's complete. So we'll go here and you can see we have one virtual machine which is named ERA1, which is powered off. So what we did is we have created template and we have created VM from the template. Now what we do, we have the template. If you want that template, you want to edit. If you want to edit the template, for this you cannot edit the template when it is template. If you want to edit the template, you have to bring back to the virtual machine and then you can edit. So I'll show you how. If you go with the edit setting, sorry, this is the virtual machine. If I'll go with the ERA, if you want to, if you see here, you don't have the option of edit settings. Okay, so if you want to edit this virtual machine again, so you have to right click first and convert to virtual machine. So what will happen, this template will become the virtual machine. Just click on it and click on cluster admin, which is on cluster. Wherever will be needed, it will go, and now it's converted into virtual machine. You just go action and you can edit from here. After editing, again you convert to the template and it will get created template. Okay, so what we did is created new virtual machine from the template. We have created template, we have created virtual machine from the template. Now what we do, we'll go with the right click option and what will do the clone to virtual machine. So what happens, this virtual machine will be cloned. So if you want exact copy of your virtual machine, you will go with the clone. So I'll go with the ERA2 and just will make NAP. I'll click on cluster admin, do the NAP, just click on computer storage, just click next, and finish, and then finish. Now see, cloning of virtual machine has been started. So now clone again become here. So now you become clone. If you want to make clone to template, means what you want, you have the virtual machine, you want to make a clone of that virtual machine, and you want to see that clone virtual machine should become a template. So what you do, just go to the virtual machine, right click, clone, and clone to template. So what happened, the machine which you have created, this machine will become the template. So this machine become the template. Now you can see this era 3 machine becomes the template. So it's very simple. So I shown you how to create a template, how to create virtual machine from the template, how you can clone the virtual machine, how you can create the virtual machine, how you can create the clone machine to the template. So that's it for the today. I'll show you some, I'll tell you some difference between what you say template and the clone. So template is used for production, clone is used for UAT purpose, because in a template is a master copy and clone is a copy which you want the same exact copy. You cannot clone number of virtual machines at the same time. And template you can edit, means if you want you can do anytime from template to clone, template to virtual machine template. But after the cloning you cannot create a virtual machine, means you cannot revert back the clone, but you can revert back the template. So there are multiple, you can go with the web and you can see there are multiple things, so you can check it from there. But I have told you the main things. So that's all for the clone and the template. In the next video we will come up with the new idea.